Hello everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I am going to tell you about my newest class to go for October. This class features the beautiful Falling for Leaves stamps and coordinating framelits from the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. The class will include 3 pretty fancy over-the-top cards, as well as a Starbucks Via wallet, a wine tag, which would be perfect to take to your Thanksgiving dinners, and a treat box, of course, with pumpkin spice treats inside. Now, the class to go has several options. The first option is the one that includes the bundle. Here's this beautiful stamp set. You can see just how lovely these are, but the framelits are really stars in their own. Sometimes framelits just coordinate with the stamps, but these coordinate but also provide beautiful little works of art when you cut them out of paper without stamping. So option number 1 includes this bundle. It will also include a package of the Nature's Twine poem. Can you tell which one was my favorite color? So your class to go will include the bundle. It'll include all 6 make and takes, a pack of the Nature's Twine, which is 4 different colors, as well as a full color step-by-step PDF. Option 1 is $60 plus $7 priority shipping. I always ship my classes with tracking and insurance so we don't miss anything. Now option 2 is for those of you that already own this bundle. You'll need it, you have to have it to make the projects. But if you already own it, or maybe you're a demonstrator and would like to order it yourself, option 2 is for you. Option 2 includes all 6 make and takes, as well as the twine, because you're going to need that as well, and the PDF. Option 2 is $33 plus that $7 priority shipping. Now option 3 is for those of you that have everything. You don't need the bundle, you don't need the make and takes, you just would like the tutorial. That is option 3 and it's $15. It's an immediate download. When you buy something from my PDF store, it's automatically emailed to you from the site within about 5 minutes. So that is option 3. Now the last option, option 4, is for my wonderful team, the Sweet Stampede. They always get my class kits at a significant discount, and this class for them is just $13. All right, if you would like to register for option 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can email me for those links. Actually, option 3, the link for the PDF, is linked already in my class page on my blog. I can link you to that, but you have to email me for the registration link per Stampin' Up! Policy. So shoot me an email and let me know you'd like to register for the Falling for Leaves class to go, and I will get that link right to you. Now the deadline for this class to register is October 16th. I will then, after the deadline, order everybody's materials and everybody's product, and I will have everything packed and shipped to you by October 23rd. All right, you guys, let me know if you're interested in this class. You can click on the link here in the video on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're watching it, and find my email and let me know you'd like to register. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.